Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will introduce briefly two functions from Dplyr package to deal with missing value or NA values in R. And these two functions called naif and coalesce. So we know Dplyr is a package in R and which is part of the tidyverse framework. The tidyverse is a big framework which is a collection of many libraries that have the goal of making R faster, simpler, and easier. And one specification of tidyverse or Dplyr can use a pipeline structure, so which is the chaining of the functions. And here, naif and coalesce functions usually used to deal with missing value. So next we will show two examples in RStudio of these two functions. So first we have to load library tidyverse, or you can just load the library Dplyr. Then we create a vector called a test, which has three elements, 100, 0, and 999. So next we will use 5000 to divide this vector. So we will see how it is the result. So you can see the result. In the result, the second element is INF, because 5000 divided by 0 will get an infinite number, because in real numbers we cannot divide by 0. And say if we want to show the result as a missing value instead of INF, so we can use the function naif. So naif 5000 divided by test, and we set the option 0. So this means if divided by 0, then the result will be shown with a missing value NA. Then we show the result. You can see now the second element is the value NA. And for the coalesce function, it is used to replace the missing value as another value. So say we have one vector x1 includes 5 elements, in which the fourth element is NA missing value. So say we want to show the missing value as 999 instead. Then we can use coalesce of this vector and with a comma, then 999. So the result So the result, you can see the fourth element has been replaced with the value 999. Thanks for watching.